to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and simple. Today we are solving a really cool puzzle from the complex number and roots of unity. We are given 1 plus omega square plus omega cube plus omega 4 plus omega 5 equals 0, and we are asked what is 1 omega plus omega cube plus omega 4. No calculator, just simple math and clear logic. Let's break down step by step. First of all, we have seen that this is the sum of all 6 roots. It's mean omega is a complex number such that we have complex number that omega 6 equals 1, but omega is not equals 1. If we take the equation like x raised to power 6 equals 1, we get 6 complex solution equally spaced around the unit circle in the complex plane. And these roots are 1, omega, omega square, omega cube, omega 4, omega 5. And all of them satisfy that omega 6 equals 1. And this is the famous identity, that is, the sum of all 6 roots of unity is always 0. We have to find omega plus omega cube plus omega 4. We can rearrange into groups. We can write 1 plus omega square plus omega cube plus omega 4 plus omega 5 equals 0. Make the group of this like if we take omega power 3, omega power 4 plus 1 plus omega square and omega 5 equals 0. It's mean 1 and its power is 1. So 1 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. And here we have 2 plus 5 is 7. So these are the groups. Now we make one group to the other side like omega plus omega cube plus omega 4 equals minus into 1 plus omega square plus omega 5. So we use the known values of omega in this question and find the answer, because omega is equals e raised to power 2 pi iota by 6. So when we write this will be equals cos 60 degree and plus iota sine 60 degree. So we will put the values. Values are omega equals cos 60 degree plus iota sine 60 degree means cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 and sine 60 degrees iota 3 by 2 will be, iota is used. So this is the value of omega. Then omega cube will be equals minus 1, and then omega 4 will be equals minus omega, because omega 4 equals omega cube into omega. This means omega cube is minus 1, so minus omega. So we will substitute the values in this and get the answer. So we have omega plus omega cube plus omega 4. Omega value is, we get 1 by 2 plus square root 3 by 2 iota, and omega cube is minus 1, and omega 4 is minus omega, means minus 1 by 2 minus square root 3 by 2 iota. So all values are cancelled out and we have only minus 1. So our final answer of this will be equals to minus 1. So this is the final answer. This means omega is the nth root of the unity. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and keep solving smart.